Hello and welcome back to my channel of Retail Analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys do not miss on any of the profit that we make on a regular basis. So now let us continue to discuss the uh, gold pair from where we left off previously. Okay, so when we were discussing the gold last, market was trending over here, and we marked this area as an area of support which was not tested, and, and we marked this area of resistance which was broken. So if you guys would have taken entry after the closing of this candle, then we would have made a profit of approximately 10.9% minimum if you would have taken the trade, and if we would have taken a trade upon a retest the safety trade, then we would have made a profit of approximately 10.3% as well. So now let me move the fresh areas of support and resistance. So this will be the area of the short-term resistance, something like this. The short-term support will be over here. Okay, so now let me move all these scenarios so you guys can easily trade this pair tomorrow as well. Okay, so these will be the scenarios for gold. So just simply follow this given key and these scenarios, and you guys uh, hopefully you guys will make good profit in these as well. Thank you. That's all for the today's video of gold. See you guys tomorrow with the fresh scenarios. Thank you.